played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: yeah, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king, yeah, composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. Yeah, she tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips, yeah, she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe I haven't here before. I know this room, I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. Well, I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Love is not a victory march, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there is a God above, and all I ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. Yeah, well, that's not a cry you can hear.